Are you tired of the city? Are you looking for a place where you can just drop all your stress and forget about all your duties and obligations for a while? Are you looking for a place where you can reconnect with the nature? If your answer were yes, let me talk you about San Juan de Seco. San Juan de Seco, it is a small town in Cundinamarca located 90 kilometers away from Bogota. It has a warm weather and beautiful landscapes. Sound nice, sounds nice so far, but you will be asking me, well, if I go there, what can I possibly do? Let me talk about the trip we have for you. The trip will last 3 days and 2 nights. On day one, we will on day one we will enjoy a beautiful ecological walk in the mountains until we go to the Three Pines. It is an iconic mountain in San Juan de Seco where we will be able to appreciate the mountain range in all its splendor and marvel at the unique view that it offers us, followed by a delicious typical lunch of the region. This walk will last approximately 6 hours. At night, we will visit its iconic coffee shop, Buani, where we will enjoy delicious coffee typical of the region, while we accompany it with a dessert and a nice conversation. On the second day, we will enjoy a natural ride around the town, followed by a game of paintball and a beautiful afternoon in the pool. After that, we will have a lunch in our facilities. At night, we will carry carry out an integration activity nearby in which we will have a campfire and we will be able to enjoy Tejo, which is a characteristic game of our region. On the third day, we will we will enjoy a characteristic breakfast of the region and a tour on the town. We will learn about its history and we will be able to buy souvenirs and whatever we want actually. And then, after we have our dinner, we'll drop by your city. If you're interested in our plans, just write to our numbers or call our facilities. We will be happy to attend your inquiries and answer all of your questions. With no further more to say, I would like to thank you all for your attention and wish you a beautiful day.